Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Ford Explorer key. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. This action will release the hidden emergency key. Gently pull the emergency key straight out from the fob's housing. This initial step is crucial for accessing the internal components and preparing for battery replacement or other maintenance. Now that the emergency key is removed, carefully examine the key fob for a visible seam. This seam runs along the entire edge where the two halves meet. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar thin prying tool. Insert the tip into the seam with care. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small coin cell battery inside. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Use a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or a tiny screwdriver, to carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Most Ford Explorer key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Ensure the new battery is inserted with the correct polarity. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it functions correctly after reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.